Hi and welcome to the final part of the chopper project, part 6. I've been servicing this my beach cruiser this past day, so I'll get this off the stand, get the green chopper on and we'll get it finished. There's only a few jobs left to finish off, setting up and some decals to go on it as well, so we'll get started. To finish off, we're going to just do a bit of an update. Put new brake blocks on front and rear. So we've got some good stopping power now. Set the Sturmey Archer 3-speed so it goes to the gear, all 3 gears nicely. And we've had a sticker set arrive. Now I know the frame isn't original factory paint and I know it's got surface rust on it, but with it being the one-off colour that my friend had, I decided not to change that, not to even try and update it or paint it. You know, trying to match the Dayglow colours. It is what it is. As I said, it's not factory paint. I've not done anything with the paint except clean it, or tried to clean it up a little. It was, you know, to fully restore it. There's other issues with the chrome work, and I mean it could be done, but because it's got the age to it, and I believe my friend rode it as it was, that's what is wanted. But I thought it'd look a bit better with the original stickers on. So when it was obviously painted back in the day, it's lost the stickers up on the seat post, mudguard, on the bottom frame, and also there should be one up there and one which you can't see just out of shot on the back of the seat. So went online and had a full set of reproduction stickers ordered, brought in. So it has the Raleigh chopper that goes at the back of the seat, the chain guard, and then the frame stickers, etc. So you can probably tell through the stickers what colour they are, but we'll get them on and we'll see what we get. First up, it comes with some, looks like the first aid ones, but the alcohol wipes to clean the paint down. Obviously with it not being factory paint, hopefully this won't actually strip the paint off. I don't think it should, but just clean any oil off the surface. It's actually not too bad, even though I'd cleaned it, it's still fetched a little bit off. You can maybe see that against the white background, a bit of dirt in there. So we peel the backing off, so you can definitely see what colour it is now. And then mount it. So I did a few YouTube videos, looked at a few of those just to see, so that should sit about there. Unfortunately the metal's quite cold, so it doesn't seem to be adhering very well, but hopefully we can press it down and get it on. Put some heat into it. Sticking. Not sticking at all, that. Better. Just needed some heat in it, I think, to make it stick. It is quite cold today as well, so that's probably not helping with moisture and damp. To be honest, I'm quite happy with that. I know it's not factory, and you know, even the purists will be saying, well, it's sacrilege to do that, but I think these were less than £18 for a full set. So, and I think I've gone on and asked a few guys their thoughts on the colours, because I was looking at green or yellow stickers with a green outline, but I just figured it to get lost in the paintwork, so we've gone black with a silver outline. I think that looks quite good. Comment below if you agree, disagree, but let's get on and we'll get one of the frame ones on. Now I've got the other, you have seen the other purple Mark 2 chopper, it's still got the decals on, so I'm just going to take a quick measurement and find out the exact placement so we get it right, and then I'll have to move it around in the clamp to get the seat post one on, but we can get this top one on as well. So rudimentary measuring, but it's a thumb's width. Just make sure you can see. Yeah, just lower you down a little bit so you can see a bit better. And bring you in. Hopefully try and not get my hands in the way. But it's a thumb's width from the stem there. Do one more check to make sure. Yep. It sits quite high, so I think we're sitting it about there, like that. And then the same with the side. Quite happy with that. Not that though. There we go. It is cold down here. I even thought of a heat gun, but I don't know how it'll react with this paint because it's not great. But we'll be back and we'll get this upper. In fact, let's have a look. So there's an arrow wedge and then the registered design number, and that usually sits just up there like that on that one. Actually relatively warm now. So what I'll do is I'll finish, obviously we've got one at the other side, so we'll do the one on the back of the seat first. So up here we have the yellow Raleigh chopper sticker, which sits inside there. And when I chose the colours of black and silver, I also did it because the original sticker that was on here was that colour, and that does look really brand new. It's slightly too new for the seat, but basically that's the colour that was on, or the remnants of what was left on it. Right, I did the seat post sticker and the other side off the frame, so on the floor, so couldn't really film it, just due to the fact of when I trying to get the bike in the stand and balance it, I was trying to put the frame there. I couldn't really put it around there because I didn't want to tear down there, because I didn't want to tear these stickers, and usually I would clamp it around there, but obviously I need access to put that on, so I've done it offline. You haven't really missed it, it's just that. So obviously we've got the arrow wedge, the chain guard, and then the frame stickers. So I'm just trying to get back a little bit further so you can see the whole bike. But yeah, quite happy with that. Hopefully you guys think it's okay. It's taken a while, but I've got all the correct parts on, so that's pretty much a wrap for this bike. Just step back a little bit. So yeah, thank you for being with me on this one. Bit of a learning curve for me, trying to find out how parts go and work on them, and the Sturmey Archer 3-speed I've never really touched before either. So yeah, I think what we'll do is we'll get the other chopper up, and between times I've got you remember the Lowrider project, just show you that one. So that's been up on the stands as well, so that's not the correct rear wheel. I've just got that off at the moment because I've got the wheel in bits doing it, so that'll be up on the stand next to finish that off. And then I've got a couple of other cheeky projects in the wings waiting, which I'll give you a bit of a tease picture of it now. As we said before, it's a wrap. Thank you for being with me. Thank you. Hopefully you've enjoyed it, and catch you on the next one.